I'm John Smith reporting live from New York. A historic winter storm has unleashed chaos across the Gulf Coast, from Texas to Florida, bringing record-breaking snow and the first-ever blizzard warning to Louisiana. Communities are paralyzed, with travel halted and daily life disrupted. Stay with us for more on this unprecedented event. New Orleans saw 8 inches of snow, breaking a record dating back to the late 19th century. Florida also shattered its snowfall record, with Pensacola buried under nearly 9 inches. Houston faced deadly crashes and airport closures. This storm is being called a once-in-a-generation event, with life-threatening cold expected to linger. Thank you for watching. If you found this report insightful, please share this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below. Stay safe and stay informed.